Plan it, pick it, plan it. Plan it. To select the right plant for the right spot, it's important to plan and make sure that it's adaptable to the conditions of your landscape. Hardiness Zone. North Texas is in Hardiness Zone 8A, meaning on average, winters get as cold as 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. For a perennial plant to come back each year, it needs to be cold hardy to at least Hardiness Zone 8A or colder. Sunlight. How much sunlight do you get? A plant tag will show you which light conditions the plant is best suited for. Whether your landscape bed is in full sun, part shade, or full shade, make sure to match the plant's preferred requirements to those of your landscape. Size and spacing. How much space do you have? Crowding plants too close together can lead to increased competition for water, sunlight, and nutrients. Proper spacing when planting is key to long-term success. Soil type. While the soil types can vary across the region, make sure your plantings are adaptable to the heavy clays and alkaline soils that dominate North Texas. Amend your soil with compost before planting for best results. Pick it. Local nurseries and regional plant sales are great resources for sourcing plants that are native or adapted to our area. In addition to reading the plant tag information, always make sure that the plants you're purchasing are healthy from the start. Choose plants that have green and healthy leaves and avoid plants with broken or discolored foliage. Watch out for plants that have weeds growing in their containers. This might mean that those plants have been neglected or have had too much time in their pots. Check the bottom of the pot for excess root growth. Plants that have outgrown their containers tend to have roots circling the container or even growing out of the bottom of the pot. These can continue to cause problems and girdle the plant after planting. Plant it. Whether you're planting a perennial flower, ornamental grass, shrub, or tree, there are a few steps you can take at planting to ensure long-term success. Dig the hole 2 to 3 times the width of the container it comes in. This will help ensure the roots have plenty of room to grow. Dig your hole slightly shallower than the pot itself. Planting too deep can cause unnecessary stress, especially when dealing with heavy clay. Planting slightly above the existing grade is okay. This will help prevent new plantings from holding too much water and rotting out. Don't forget to mulch. A layer of wood chips, pine needles, or your favorite mulch will help reduce weeds and help hold moisture. Place 2 to 4 inches of mulch in the surrounding area, but avoid piling too much mulch at the base of the plant. Water heavily at planting and pay special attention for the first few months as your plants become established to its new site. After that, both native and adapted species require very little supplemental water and usually only during periods of drought. For more tips on watering, visit waterisawesome.com.